Hi, and welcome to Happy Sewing. In this tutorial, we are going to make the Havana Kids shorts with pockets and a short string. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Happy Sewing for more beautiful sewing tutorials. First of all, we need fabric. We do also need some elastic band for the waist ribbon, a safety pin, clips, cutters, a glue pen, and of course, the sewing pattern. Let's get started with cutting the fabric. I simply place the pattern on the fabric. Remember to pay attention to the fabric's direction before you start cutting. As you can see, I folded the fabric to get mirrored pieces of the patterns. I placed the ribbons against the fold to get them twice as long. So here are the pieces. 2 back pieces, 2 front pieces, 2 pocket pieces on each side, then the bottom ribbons and the waist ribbon. We start by doing the ribbons. We need to join the ribbon sides by closing them. We align the sides on all 3 pieces and apply clips. We then sew them. With the ribbons in place, it's time to work on the main fabric. We are going to join the fabric pieces. I start by joining the 2 front pieces. It's very easy. We just fold them like this and sew them across to create the crotch seam. We do exactly the same for the back piece. Align, keep them in place using the clips, and sew them. I sew them the wrong way out to get the seams inside the shorts. Then it's time to join the first pocket piece to the shorts. We place the pocket piece in the pocket opening on the front piece. Pay attention to the direction of the fabric. We want this seam to be on the inside of the pocket. First, the first pocket piece in place, we can start working on the pocket lining. We place it on top of the pocket piece like this and apply clips. We then join the pocket pieces by sewing them. We are still using a Serger, but we can use any sewing machine. The pockets are done, and we are going to join the front and back piece. We align the 2 pieces and apply clips on both sides and at the bottom to keep them in place. I didn't show it in this video, but I am using glue for stabilization. We stitch the front and back piece together using the Serger. It's finally starting to look like shorts. All that is left is the ribbons. We turn the shorts inside out, then we place the ribbons inside the leg opening. We have to turn the shorts inside out and fold the ribbons like this. We sew them in place and start working on the waist ribbon. We add wonder dots and cut holes in them and the fabric. We then apply eyelets. We make sure that everything is in place before we add the ribbon. We do exactly the same as we did on the foot rib. However, we don't sew all the way around. We have to leave room for the elastic waistband. It's going to be placed inside the waist ribbon. We sew it from here to here. The waist ribbon is the waist width minus 2 centimeters. We cut the elastic band and guide it through the waist ribbon using a safety pin. When we have reached the other side, we use glue and a pin and sew them together. When that is done, we can close the opening. When we have tied up any loose threading, the Havana Kid shorts are complete. If you are interested in buying this pattern, it's possible by visiting our website. You can find more information about the tutorial or the sewing pattern by clicking the link in the video description. We do also have a lot of patterns available for you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching!